Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Today we continue our learning series about the topic how to understand Austrians. In this tutorial we focus on the verb to be in Austrian German. So let's get started. The learning goal of this Austrian German tutorial is to learn how to use the verb to be in Austrian German. As we've already said so often, in written form we use Standard German in Austria, but in spoken form you will come across the Austrian German versions very often. So let's get started. Ich bin means I am. Ich bin. Sometimes you may come across ich bin. Du bist. You are. Du bist. This is the same as in Standard German. Er, sie, es is. He, she, it is. It's very similar to the English version. Er, sie, es is. Wir sind. We are. Wir sind. Ihr seid. You are. Ihr seid. And finally, sie sind. They are. Sie sind. So much for the verb to be in Austrian German. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Auf Wiedersehen.